Hey, Jay Grams here. Look what I got for you today, a 725 horsepower Shelby Super Snake. These cars are flicking, I said flicking. Better start over. Hey, Jay here from the Volo Auto Museum. We've got a 2007 Shelby Super Snake for sale today. You're going to want to hear all about this. 725 horsepower. This thing is scary fast. This is world-class fast. This one in particular has just been completely serviced. I have receipts here for about $7,000, completely gone through all the fluids, anything it needed. It is turnkey, dialed in, ready to drive. Let's take it for a spin. I'll tell you all about it. So you can buy a Shelby from your Ford dealership. The Super Snakes actually got sent out to Shelby America. They rebuilt the car by adding horsepower, putting a Kenne Bell supercharger. It's got huge brakes on it, all custom suspension, a lot of custom features like emblems and ground effects and a lot of extra stuff on the engine compartment. So it was an expensive package. Don't quote me, but I think it was $30,000, $40,000 for the Super Snake. It's a big deal. So this one's got a 6-speed. It's got the 373 performance rear end, Ford Racing exhaust system, Ford Racing handling package. Included dynamic adjustable dampeners, lowering springs, tune stabilizer bars, and front strut tower brace. These are Shelby designed Alcoa 20-inch wheels. $1,300 was just spent refinishing those. Ford Racing short throw shifter. They're bare 6-piston calipers. It just goes on and on. I can tell you I've driven this one and I've driven one other. Probably it is the fastest car I've ever been in, and I've grown up with fast cars. This is like at the top of the food chain. I'd put this up against almost any production car out there. So anyway, again, just under 15,000 miles. You know what's cool about it? It's got all that horsepower, and it's still air conditioned and power locks. It's got all the comforts, and it's faster than you know what. So I'm going to pop the hood and the trunk and open the doors, let you see inside. It's got a killer stereo system, big factory optional subwoofers in the trunk, obviously tinted glass. Got the two-tone black and red interior. Carroll Shelby signature is on the glove box there. It's practically a new car. There's a little chip here by the hood pin. You'll find a little flaw here or there if you look for them. Standing next to the car, it's like new. This is a Super Snake hood. This is different than the regular Shelbys. So there's a lot of extra little custom features under here. Kenne Bell supercharger, and this car was just tuned. It has Super Snake caps on everything. It is car number 93. It's the 93rd one made. You gotta hear this thing. Yeah, all leather upholstery, power seat. That's the Shaker 1000 stereo. It's got all the Shelby gauges. It has 4,196 miles to be exact. You like that? That's nothing. That's insane. That's crazy. That's just nuts. That is that's power, man. Isn't that nuts? Fast car. I was actually, we had a convertible, and I was actually scared. I got on a big, long, open road before I got on it, and it was thrilling. Once I warmed up to it, then I'd start getting on it more and more. This car can be a lot of fun. I've driven every car you can imagine, and these are the fastest I've ever been in. And then you know what? You turn the air conditioning on, you got your stereo. Now go to volocars.com, you'll get all the specs, the pricing. We have a few hundred cars available for sale. Shipping, financing, we have salesmen that will help you answer all your questions, extra pictures, videos, whatever you need. This car does have a clean Carfax too. There's pictures underneath the car on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting really cool cars a few times a day. You can leave a comment on our YouTube videos. That's another way we will respond to you. So this car is awesome. If you need a little excitement in your life, or you need a lot of excitement in your life, this is it. We can put this in your driveway. So sales@volocars.com. Thanks for watching.